Liam, look. This building is,
Yes, Sophie. It is very old. It is an old building.
old. Yes. And it is,
It is strong. It is big.
old, strong, big. I like it. Oh, look. The flowers are very colorful.
Yes, they are very colorful. What colors do you see?
I see red, yellow, and pink flowers.
I feel happy here and calm.
It is a calm place, a very beautiful place. This is a beautiful compass. What is this?
That is an old compass. People used it to find their way.
It is very old. Is it expensive?
Yes, it is old and special. It costs 20 pounds.
Okay. Thank you for telling me.
You're welcome. Enjoy your day.
Liam, look. This is London. It is a very big city.
Yes, Sophie. It is a very big city. What else?
It is busy. Many people. And it is beautiful.
Fantastic. You described London.
Let's review our new words and phrases from Sophie's day. Old, strong, big, colorful, happy, calm, beautiful, expensive, compass, mistakes, confident, secret gate.
Thank you for watching my story.
We hope it helped you learn English.
Did you learn new words?
Did you understand our story?
You can listen again to practice.
Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. Don't give up.
Have a good day and keep learning English.